Stay inside and stay safe into our Thursday night. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Cumberland, Salem, Camden, and Gloucester counties until 9 p.m. on our Thursday. That being said, we already saw a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Cape May and Atlantic counties, and that will probably continue as we go into the evening here. Let's take a look at our storm threats. Compared to where we usually are, which is 0, there is a medium risk for a tornado. A weak tornado or two will be possible. We'll see isolated areas of damaging wind. Small hail is not ruled out, and flooding rain will probably be our biggest concern for most of us here, since we did see rain already this morning. Goes without saying that June 3rd is a wet day here, because not only were we wet today, but more than half of our June 3rds are wet. That is the day most likely to rain at Atlantic City International Airport. Let's show you why it's raining here on our Thursday evening and why we saw some Thursday morning. High pressure is located east of Bermuda. That's a southwesterly wind around that clockwise spinning high. We have a cold front as well. The combination of the two brings in a soupy southwesterly wind, and that will mean, well, we'll look for an isolated shower or storm as we go into the evening here. Most of the activity does stay to our north and west, so good news for us here, although the Philadelphia area can see 2 to 4 inches of rain. If we do get a thunderstorm as we go into the evening, here's a look at our significant tornado parameter, and this takes into account many different variables here, but what you want to know is where you're seeing these blues, that's the potential for not only a tornado, but a tornado with a little more juice to it. Now, this is mostly out of our area, so that's good news, but even in these places where it's shaded gray, more favorable for a tornado to spin up. So for our Thursday night, temperatures are sliding through the 70s and into the 60s. We are looking for showers until about midnight or so, but I believe after 9 p.m. the severe threat is over. Then as we go into Friday, we're looking for a few showers here on the back end of one frontier, mainly along the Garden State Parkway and to the east. Then we're dry for most of the day after 10 o'clock. We're going to look for a broken line of showers and storms to move to the east as we go into the evening. No severe weather with this one, though you could see a brief downpour for about 15 minutes or so. Friday morning numbers do take us, well, not all that much higher. We are going to start out very much above average for our Friday morning, about a dozen degrees above average. We'll get up to just around 70 by 9 a.m. High temperatures in the 70s everywhere for our Friday. It's a mostly dry day. You'll see a little bit of sunshine, but probably going to be pretty similar to what you had on our day today on Thursday. Then as we go into Friday night, dry after 9 o'clock. And then eventually we're going to start getting drier, more crisp air filtering in, and we'll also see a little bit of moonlight as well. Low temperatures will be in the low 60s. So what does this mean for AC Beer Fest? Well, we do have our Friday night session. That does run from 6 to 10. I think you're going to be fine, but there is the potential for a shower or a thunderstorm. Saturday is looking fantastic. In fact, I bumped up temperatures a little bit for Saturday. And as we go into the weekend, we have this jet stream well to the north. It will be much different than our Memorial Day weekend, where we had high temperatures in the low to mid 50s. Look at these high temperatures as we go into this weekend. 89 on Saturday, 93 on Sunday, and that will start our first heat wave of 2021 here on the mainland. Should stretch for 4 days in a row. Low temperatures, look at them, in the upper 60s to near 70. That is quite summery. That's something you would see in the middle of summer, and it is a reminder that we are in climatological summer. If you want to beat the heat, the shore is looking fantastic, especially with it being early June. Crowds aren't that heavy yet. I would make the recommendation to head on over to the shore some point over the next couple of days once we get past Friday. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media, or you can go to our website, thepressofac.com/weather. And also, shout out to Andrew Adams for this photo from Ventnor. He was the winner of our weather video background contest for the summer season. We're going to have a video talking about it coming up on social media sometime either Thursday night or Friday.